Introducing the 2024 Audi A6 SALOON 2.0 40TDI 204BHP S-Line with ambient lighting in sleek black. With 53,250 Klaus-Bun, this 2L beauty offers top-notch features like aircon, Bluetooth, and Sat Nav. Stay safe with ABS, lane departure warning, and multiple airbags. Stylish details include chrome accents and luxury trim. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with a full health check and comprehensive warranty. Visit audicork.ie or call now for more info on this must-have ride. Drive with confidence in this top-of-the-line Audi A6.